Doing paper art is a way that I relax. I call it my zen time. Listen to the music while puzzling all the small pieces together. Relaxing while making my digital art pop out from the frame. I just love it. Hi, my name is Fenway Fan. I'm a Chinese designer based in Boston. I moved to the United States 10 years ago. Over the past decade, I've been working in the entertainment and toy industry. I love to draw digitally, but one day in 2014, my hard drive broke, so sadly, I lost most of my digital work. Then I started to think, maybe I should create something physical so that it stays forever. I started to exploring paper art, not only because it was a Chinese tradition, but also I was inspired by my colleague Costa Alvarez and alumni Burton Lee. They are both masters of traditional paper cutting. Then I start to think, how do I translate my digital work 100% into paper art? Then I find there was such a thing called cutter. It took me a while to figure out a workflow that can apply to any of my digital work. Dividing by layers, cutting by colors, assembling by parts. With the help of a cutter, I can not only get clean cuts 100% translated from my digital work, but also save time concentrating creating more concepts. Today I'm very excited to share you step by step. Welcome to my class. Once you follow along, you will be the next master of paper art. Now let's get started.